Hi everyone, I'm Jordan, and in today's demo, I'm going to be showcasing to you guys a custom plugin that's built off of Azure OpenAI. So what you're seeing here is Microsoft Replay. Replay is a platform service built under Microsoft Finance that houses a variety of different applications and a variety of different data. Over here, we have Replay AI, and Replay AI is that conversational tool that lets users interact with their data through conversation. It houses various amounts of plugins, which represent individual use cases that connects users with different types of data. One of those types of data is actually with SQL. And so inside here, I'm going to show you a past conversation I had earlier today that walks you through a use case of how Replay AI and how the system is custom built to attach users to their data. So here we have a plugin connected to some mock data in the backend. And so I'm asking it to provide me the security ACR for 3 different regions over 3 different fiscals. What it's doing in the backend, it's taking this prompt that you see here, it's unpacking it and using the custom system that we've built within Replay AI to then create a SQL query that's also custom to their specific data set. All right, so it's looking at the different tables, different columns, and the actual data within those tables to figure out how best to formulate that query, and then providing that summary of data right here. In addition to this, Replay AI can then do additional calculations and provide predictive analysis on that data set that's returned. So here we're asking it to do the year-over-year growth rate based on the numbers that were provided above. And the next step, we're asking it to predict FY25 and FY26 numbers, also based on the values above. Now, key here is that because it is a custom plugin, right, we are able to make these custom system prompts and system setup with Azure OpenAI. We are already able to show that, hey, this is an ACR plugin. The business use case is to use linear regression whenever we're doing predictive models. And so all that can be ingrained directly inside the plugin itself. All right, so each plugin has its own scope of different calculations, different predictive models, as well as different use cases that can be automatically tied into the questions that user ask. And the final step right here is we're asking it to provide the overall analysis, right? We asked it to do a few calculations and the predictive models. We're now asking it to provide that summary of what we're looking at within the data and what we can see within the next few years. So in summary, what Replay AI does with this custom plugin is that it connects the users to different SQL databases, allowing them to query information based off of natural language prompts. And then we're able to ingrain specific types of calculations and predictive models based directly on the custom use cases within each of those plugins. Thank you.
Connect with your Microsoft account representative to find out how you can partner with Microsoft to make transformation real.